Welcome to the Smart Science measurement video about projectile motion energy. In this lab, we're looking at two types of energy in a projectile: the kinetic energy of motion and the potential energy, which is the energy due to gravity and how high the object is. So you'll notice at the top of this Explore page, you've got a brief description of the lab. Then we've got a guideline that shows you how to measure by clicking on the center of the projectile in each image. And now we're going to go ahead and consider that central question: how are kinetic and potential energy of a projectile related? So first you should pick or write a hypothesis you'd like to test. I'm just going to click one randomly, and then you'll go into the experiments. We do have those three different masses of balls at a few different angles. Let's pick one out and go ahead and press play. You're going to see the projectile fly at full speed. And now we're going to see a slow motion version of the same projectile flying through the air. So we can really see the projectile and its path very clearly with that slow motion. Okay, now we're going to get into measuring. Now, measuring requires that we click on the center of the ball as it moves on its path. And as it does this, the kinetic and potential energy are measured and transposed over onto the graph and the data table to the right. You'll see what's really cool about this is it kind of shows the change from potential to kinetic or vice versa based on the measurements that I make. At that point, we can save this, and there's the aluminum ball and its energy composition throughout its path. Go ahead and do this for all the different options and learn how kinetic and potential energy are related in a projectile in this Smart Science lab.